For those of us that are enjoying the summer heat, maybe having lunch outside here on Fountain Square, it is going to be a hot one, at least for today. Temperatures are going to be sitting in the 90s this afternoon. It's about 85 degrees right now. Feels like 89 to 90 for most areas around greater Cincinnati. We've got south winds to around 5 to 10 miles per hour, so helping to draw some of that heat, humidity in. Today is a weather impact day, though, for the showers and storms that move into the area. So I would say anytime between about 2 and sunset tonight. We're looking at thunderstorms with some lightning, a lot of frequent lightning with those, and gusty winds. You'll have to watch that if you have any after-school sports tonight. That could certainly get delayed by the lightning, or even just the locally heavy rainfall that we're going to be dealing with out of these storms. Right now, our radar is dry locally, but back to the west, our cold front slowly but surely heading our direction. So as we head into the next several hours here, this is going to be the source for showers and storms for us. So it's developing here over the next couple of hours as that drops on through, and then behind it we are going to get into some eventual cooler weather, so feeling just a little bit better by tomorrow. Some of those storms today could be on the strong side, at least a couple of them. I think our biggest concern for that would be gusty winds. Not a widespread severe weather threat today, but there is enough there to produce at least a couple with some more blustery conditions. So right now our futurecast showing those storms moving in between about 2 and 6 o'clock tonight. Notice they're fairly scattered here, but we've got some intense downpours. Again, frequent lightning with a lot of these, kind of a noisy night ahead. As you go past sunset tonight, we're going to lose a lot of that energy, that sunshine, and that's going to allow a lot of those storms to fade as that cold front continues to move east. So overnight tonight, probably a little bit of fog, especially in areas that saw some rainfall. I think we're looking at a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy sky, and then fairly cloudy for your Wednesday. Can't rule out a stray shower as well throughout your Wednesday afternoon. It's kind of a gloomy day, but I think temperatures are going to feel a lot better behind this front as you go through the second half of Wednesday, and you are eventually going to start to notice a drop in that humidity. It's not going to be extreme, but it's been so humid that any kind of a change the other direction is noticeable. So you get about 69 degrees tonight. Again, spotty rain, fairly cloudy skies, and then tomorrow mostly cloudy with temperatures of around 80. Again, cooler compared to where we have been, less humid compared to where we have been. And your 7-day forecast is going to bring much nicer weather in the days ahead. I don't think we're looking at a lot in the way of rain chances as we head through the second half of the week. Tomorrow, back to school for a lot of districts. Cincinnati, we've got less humid conditions. Stray shower possible at times tomorrow again, but most of the daytime looks pretty dry. And then Thursday into Friday, we're going to get rid of a lot of these clouds. Friday's going to be a warm day, but it's not going to be terribly humid. So for your Blitz 5 forecast, starting those Friday night football games, we have less humid conditions, temperatures of around 82, and then 77 for post game. So feeling really comfortable. Now into the weekend, I think a mix of cloud cover here, possibly a stray shower on Sunday, but by Monday, temperatures in the upper 70s. So really, I think feeling like early fall for a lot of us as we head into early next week.